Hi, Jim Romer. I want to give you a special update about the energy market. If you like snow and colder weather, well, the eastern half of the country could have a very cold late November and early December. We told the Weather Wealth clients about this a week ago Friday to exit short positions in natural gas. But we do have big supplies in the natural gas market, so we need continued cold weather for more than a week or two to warrant a major bull market. This is what is going on with the Jetstream. It's called the negative EPO index, okay? So we see the rotation of the weather pattern here for the next 2 weeks. Notice coming up next week that red block over the Gulf of Alaska right there. That is called a negative WPO and negative EPO index, a ridge over the Gulf of Alaska, and that's due to a weak El Nino situation right now. Stronger El Ninos typically have a warmer early winter. Weaker ones, with the MJO, the Mattingly-Julie Oscillation Index I talked about here recently, tends to have colder weather. The key is going to be, will that continue if this ridge goes into the Gulf of Alaska for more than just a few days to a week? This is the weather pattern for late November and the first part of December if the EPO goes negative and stays that way. Again, a negative EPO happens very often with weak El Nino conditions, a warm ridge over the Gulf of Alaska, and a trough in blue there, cold, over the eastern half of the country. And then it's exciting a little bit the natural gas market. If you love snow, as my favorite cat does, we could be in for quite a period here for at least a week or two at the end of November. You'll see from some of the models that we look at, the EPO index is actually collapsing. And as a result, that ridge in the Gulf of Alaska could mean a very interesting energy market with various spreads and options and futures from natural gas to heating oil, things like that. If you sign up for a 2-week free trial period, the Weather Wealth will give you a big heads up often before other meteorologists update their forecasts. We second guess models looking at teleconnections like this EPO index over the Gulf of Alaska. What will El Nino do? How will the grain market react to all this, as well as soft commodities? That's what we're going to be watching for here over the next few months with a lot of volatile weather. Enjoy.